Hello friends, how are you? To test the letter Vedic math. Okay. So today we learn one more topic. Simple multiply by 11 to any term. किसी भी टर्म को 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Easy method. For example, 11 into 11. कैसे multiply करो? Method is 1 to 1. That is a method. How? That is first term. That is second term. The first term 1, second sum of these two terms 2 and the third term equal to 1 to 3 is the answer. What friends? First term sum of two term and third term. What more example? First term 4, sum of 2 6, second term 2. That is the answer. What friends? So some difficult sum here. 39 here. First term 3, sum of two term 12 and second term 9. That's the method. 9, 2 and 4. What friends? Any doubt? Take one more example. First term 4, sum of 2 10, 6, 6, 0, 5. That is the answer of multiply 11, multiply 11. I think clear? No doubt. So move again. What friend? Now the take three term 1, 1, 1 into 11. What friend? Now that method is 1, 2, 3. So wait, sorry. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. That is the method for number 3 term, 4 term, 5 term system. For example, first term 1, sum of first and second term 2, sum of second third term 2 and 1. Okay friends, take one more example. 2, 4, 1 multiply 11. First term 2, first and second 6, second and third 5 and last 1. That is the answer. Any doubt? Take one more example. 2, 6, 7. What is friends? Multiply by 11. Here first 2, first second 8, second third, that is 13 and last 7. 7, 3, 9, 2. That is the answer. I think clear? No doubt? Take one more example. 3, 7, 8 multiply by 11. First is 3, sum of first 2, 10 here, 15 here, 8. First, second, third and third. Here 8, 5, 11, 3. That is the answer. Clear friends? Any doubt? Now take some length that is 2 3 1 5 2 3 5 into 11. Here formula is 1 2 2 2 2 2. How much item? And 1 means first item, first and second, second third, third fourth, fourth fifth, fifth sixth, seventh and seventh. Here first is 2, sum of these 2, 5, sum of these 4, 6, 7, 5, 8 and last one 5. Okay friends, any doubt? Take one more example, maybe last one. 4 5 6 8 6 4 7 9 multiplied by 11. Here first 4, sum of these 2, 9, sum of these 2, 11, 14, 10, 11, 16 and last one is 9. So by method last is 9, then 6, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 5 5, 1 plus 4 5, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 9 0, 1 order and last one is 5. Okay friends, any doubt? I think clear for all. That's all for the multiply by 11. So I think clear for all. If any doubt, please comment me in the channel so I solve your solution. And if you like that, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks very much.